it took me a minute to decide to actually do this because I look awful. But, you know, this is like my real face. So, my skin has been bad lately, and I don't know what's happening. It's just been really bad. You can see I have like dark spots and acne, and I didn't even have acne when I was like a teenager, so I don't know where this is coming from. But all of a sudden, you know, my skin decided to be terrible. So I kept seeing ads for Curology, so I was like, you know, right now I will try anything. So I got Curology. So this is the box that it came in. Clearly I don't, you know, like I said, I don't really have to go into too much detail. You can see that my skin has been acting up, and I didn't, like I said, I didn't have these problems before. Like, my skin has been really good probably most of my life. But they send you, fill out a survey. I'm not getting paid by Curology to do this. You fill out a survey, kind of asking you questions about your skin, your skincare routine, etc., etc. And then they customize your order, and they send you, you know, your free trial. So what they send you is a cleanser. So this is the cleanser that they send you. It comes in this box. I already took the package out because I've been using it now maybe like, I would say 5 days. But let me just say, honestly, I should have did this like when I first got the Curology, because it was worse. My skin was worse. Like, I looked like I was like 17 and had like volcanoes erupting all over my face. Excuse me. But so I would say literally this is like a difference in about 5 days. So they send a little card, basically telling you what to use, when to use the products. The cleanser, like I showed you, you use morning and night. The moisturizer, you also, it's about the same size, morning and night. And then they have like a formula, a special formula that, well, for me, this one, Trentian, I don't know what it's called, but I am only supposed to use this at night. So I wash my face, I apply this, then I wait 20 minutes and then apply the moisturizer. I don't know, I think I read it in an email that they sent me, like to wait 20 minutes before putting the moisturizer on. So that's what I do. They also sent me, I'm all licking my lips because I'm talking about my lips, a chapstick, like, that's real moisturizing, and an emergency spot patch, which I'm going to use if something rises. I'm not going to use it now because, like I said, it's been 5 days and I feel like my skin is already starting to improve. But as you can see, like around my chin, and it's just like the lower part of my face. I know my eyebrows are terrible too, but the lower part of my face is just terrible. And I don't know where it came from. I probably stress, because I've been stressing a lot because, you know, life is hard. But I feel good about it. I really had a skincare routine before that didn't involve Curology. It was like I used other products that I felt like was really doing a really good job, but for whatever reason, my skin has changed. My balance is off, I think. Maybe it's a hormonal thing. I'm not sure. I am, you know, older, so could be having something to do with that. I'm not sure. But I just wanted to show you what my skin looked like before. And I will do a review after the 30 days is over and to see if there's a difference. But right now, I would recommend it because, you know, it's a free trial. Why not try it out? See what happens. But I will let you know. Bye.